Hey guys, Rich Yoder here. Today we're going to be doing a little overview. We got a little building here, very small garage. It's I believe 16 by 24, 12 foot tall. It's got a little greenhouse attached to it, so I thought I'd show you guys that a little bit. So yeah, it's pretty typical. This pole barn, it's got a like window up there for light, just no wrap, no nothing, just kind of a little garage. Got a cool door here, opener, and then over here is what I was really after. So this here, and it is windy out there. We put some exhaust fans that she provided in there. We got this poly panel on the roof and the walls, and we got treated framing in here. And then these got some exhaust fans. We got treated little deck here to put stuff on and all that. So yeah, we just completely treated this and just wrapped it in that poly panel, and that way that's all like a greenhouse, and that's pretty cool. That's not something we do a lot of, but it seems to work out pretty well. Up on the roof we did purlins every 16, just kind of so it carries weight better. This stuff isn't quite as strong, so yeah, it should work out. Pretty cool little greenhouse and pretty cool little garage. So this here is the outside here. We got aged copper and brown aged copper roof trim, and then the gutters are regular copper. It's close we get, and yeah, that's how it looks on the outside. We got the regular trim around it, so there's a little bit of that, but it's still pretty much open paneled, that stuff. Roof and walls looks pretty cool, I think. And yeah, and that is just a simple barn. Loving that aged copper look. And over here we got a brown window, so that looks a little bit better than a white window or something like that. So that's about it.